This is Mr. Miller. He has a company for mechanical and plant engineering. The company is doing fine. However, problems and delays in the production occur frequently, which leads to further problems with his customers. This means trouble and extra costs for Mr. Miller. The worst-case scenario is that the delivery dates cannot be met, which leads to high penalty payments. With a high manual planning effort, Mr. Miller has been able to keep these problems and unnecessary costs at a minimum so far. However, he is worried about his company's future and wants to get a better grip on this problem. Mr. Miller knows that his project managers do their best. His business units are also well positioned. Every unit has established their own processes to complete the orders. The problem lies in between. The exchange of information between the departments is difficult because there is no consistent system for everyone. If, for instance, postponements have to be shared between assembly and purchasing, this does not happen automatically or in real time. Instead, the information is passed on via different, partly manual processes. Work orders for other departments resulting from this are usually passed on through phone or in a meeting. This results in long processes and meetings for the coordination among the different units. This jungle of systems barely gives an overview of planned and running projects, capacity utilization, and the planning of delivery dates. Additionally, you lose track of components, different specialists, and specific workplaces by only using ERP systems and Excel lists. This makes it easy to miss something that can bring down the whole production. Mr. Miller and his project managers wish for software that is tied to their specific needs of mechanical and plant engineering, which connects all departments. The software is now here. FELIOS PM. The brand FELIOS has been operating in the worldwide mechanical and plant engineering industry for 25 years now. In the last couple of years, we have worked closely with customers to develop the project management software FELIOS PM exclusively for this branch. Mr. Miller and his team can easily connect the software with their ERP system bidirectionally, and all departments can process their projects in FELIOS PM. In case somebody changes their planning, all involved departments are automatically informed. An additional notification is shown to the departments that need to adjust their planning accordingly. The software considers specific restrictions, such as the checking of parts availability and resources, employee scheduling, workstation planning, and much more. And thanks to the modern interface, it is easy to use. FELIOS PM also calculates the delivery date requests. In this process, it always considers inventories, delivery times, production times, and other already running orders. This way, the project managers and sales department provide their customers with reliable offers in no time at all. The manual troubleshooting is a part of the past because FELIOS PM continuously checks the data and informs the responsible employees about upcoming problems. This way, they can always keep an eye on missing parts, space planning, and absent employees. The data is saved on a company server and available for everybody involved in real time. That way, Mr. Miller's business intelligence tools are always up to date. Now, it is your turn to use FELIOS PM and to benefit from more security in your production, a faster exchange of information in your company, and a consistent project management tool from delivery date requests to the finished product. Find out more at www.felios.com.